Okay, so we're going to begin to prep for drawing a section, which is a theoretical view as if we were to cut a line down the center of the room, across that center line, if we were to slice the room in half and only look at one half of it, right? Like this half isn't represented, this half will be represented. That's going to be how we set up our section. In order to show you, I'm going to go to a 3D view here, right? And if we have our theater and our set, I'm going to turn on that clip cube again. And it's going to be a little finicky, I think. But if I turn off my perspective and look at it from the right side, the way we have to read the room, and I will. So if we look at it from the side as if we sliced through it, we will start to see, everything that's in red is represented as a solid object, and there's, not a lot of definition in this, but of course, what we can see here is we have the steps leading from this bridge up to this balcony. The balcony is shown as if it's not being sliced through. The bridge is sliced. Right now the stairs are showing as sliced. They're actually split down the center, but these are minor points. You can actually see, of course, there's some wall action that goes up the sides of the balcony, and that remains true, and we're going to figure that out in the section. But you can also see this red slice here. That represents just 4 feet of wall, right? We need wall showing behind the bridge, but underneath we need a path for these stairs to slide through. You can even see some of the curtain action. The sidewall of that support tower for the bridge. In this case, you're seeing a bit of the doorway showing is open. It's actually on the wrong side. Okay, fine. But this section would indicate a lot of stuff. We can even add in some of our rigging and begin to see where some of the curtains are, perhaps where some of the electrics are. We can begin to use some focus points to determine what heights these pieces are at. And the section is very valuable to, for instance, the lighting designer and the lighting team, as well as perhaps the sound and video team as well. There is so much information that is shown in a section. It's really useful. After the plan, the section comes next. Eventually, the elevations really show off all the detail, but this gives us, again, a good view of what we need for continuing to document our show. So